Here's my new AI glass. Okay, ordered actually, and it's very nice. I've already unboxed it. I did that yesterday after collecting its account. So here's the glass, here's the package, and everything inside. So here's the glass. Like, see that two black and red button. Okay, if you want to take video, if you want to take picture, everything is there. Okay, so here's another package where an extra lens is inside. Okay, there are like two lens and lens cleaner, the cord I can use in charging the editing with the glass. So everything is inside. So like, it's actually okay. And here's the package, AI Smart Glass. Yeah, they called me yesterday that the order is available, so I went to pick it up. I have to enter a bus, I can't see. Reaching there, the storekeeper is not around, so I have to wait for him. So I was waiting, more people are coming inside as well. So see the storekeeper here opening the door, bringing out some certain things. They have to give them your details so you can cross check. So this way I pick up my order, my package. Wow, AI glass. I'm gonna have to enter bus, my reach fast. So when I get home, okay, see when I was unboxing this thing, because I can't wait. Like, I was in hate. Like, I really want to see what is inside. That's why I was unboxing it. So see the package, AI Smart Glass, AI Smart Glass, AI Smart Glass. Oh. I'm opening the box. See how it is being packaged. Sorry, the light is not bright. I just have to do this today, sha. So see the glass rearranged. Wow. Like mad. I can't wait to start using this. Can't wait. I can't wait. So the glass is actually okay. Like, it's very nice. I just follow. Just place some packaging. So now bringing out the next box beside it. So see the box. Like, what is inside? What is inside? So I now have to open it from one side. Bring out everything once. See first lens, yes. Okay. First thing I saw, like, I can't just pay it because I have to read the manual. So this one is the cord. I know this one has a cord. You know how to use this. I don't even know safe. So here is the lens. This one is black lens. Maybe sunshade or thereabout, or under the sun. I can use this. This one is brown. Maybe probably focusation or anything. This one is lens cleaner wiper. I can use to clean the lens. So this one is a manual. So I have to read this manual to be able to learn how to use this. So this one is the part, like, for the lens. I thought it's for these things, but I was mistaken. Like, so see me trying to put everything once. No. I tried putting it inside, but then I found out that it's not meant for it. So it's actually for the glass itself. In case I'm going under the sun and I didn't want to go with the back, I can actually put it zip it and So here's the glass again. Like, just filling the glass. Very nice. I have to on it, worth it. So it's on already. You can see that light. Okay, even at this moment itself, I mistakenly captured. I don't even know what I was just placing. So anyway, I'm going to go through the manual. I'm going to learn how to use this. I'm going to make use of it. I'm going to be making use of it to draw videos. Like, there are some places you need to go to. Be like, I don't know how to bring out my camera and video this, But with this is a simple click, the recording starts. So I'm going to be dropping some videos with it, and let's see how it